Cannabis, derived from the cannabis sativa plant, is a psychoactive substance that alters brain function. While its effects may seem harmless or pleasurable, the reality is far more complex. Understanding cannabis and THC. Cannabis contains numerous chemical compounds called cannabinoids. The most potent is tetrahydrocannabinol THC, which interacts with the brain's receptors, altering movement, behavior, perception, and mood. This psychoactive effect is what makes cannabis both intriguing and potentially dangerous. Effects on higher mental functions and academic performance. Cannabis stimulates dopamine release, creating temporary relaxation and euphoria. However, its long-term use impairs judgment, delays thinking, affects memory, and weakens decision-making abilities. This, in turn, can have a negative impact on academic and career achievements. Mental health consequences. Cannabis use has been linked to various mental health issues. Regular users may experience hallucinations, seeing or hearing things that aren't there, depression, paranoia, and increased anxiety. These effects can make everyday life a struggle. Damage to blood vessels. Cannabis harms the circulatory system. The damage to blood vessels can cut off the supply of oxygen to major organs, significantly increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Effects on the lungs. Just like tobacco, cannabis smoke contains harmful chemicals. Prolonged use leads to chronic cough, lung infections, obstructive bronchitis, and even lung cancer. What starts as a harmless puff could result in lifelong respiratory diseases. Effects on skin. Cannabis affects more than just the brain and lungs. Regular use can lead to acne, inflammation, and premature aging, reducing the skin's natural vitality. Over time, the damage becomes irreversible. Effects on reproductive organs. Exposure to high levels of THC impacts reproductive health. In men, it can cause erectile dysfunction, reduce sperm count, and lead to infertility. In women, it disrupts hormone balance, affecting ovulation and menstrual cycles, which may result in infertility. Effects on driving. Driving under the influence of cannabis can cause impaired concentration, poor speed control, and difficulty perceiving time and distance, significantly increasing the risk of accidents, injuries, and fatalities. In India, cannabis is illegal under the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances (NDPS Act) of 1985. Possession, cultivation, use, sale, and distribution of cannabis products, example, marijuana, hashish, are criminal offenses and can attract penalties and other legal consequences. Cannabis may seem like an escape, but it comes at a cost: physical, mental, and legal. The choice is yours. Stay informed, stay safe. Say no to cannabis. Protect your future.